Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about mung beans, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with mung beans. So if you're looking for some recipe ideas or some new type of meal ideas, hopefully this will help you out. In the protein category, that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds, we have beef, lentils, peas, as in split peas, pork, shrimp, sugar snap peas, tempeh, and tofu. In the way of vegetables that go well with mung beans, there's bell peppers, bok choy, broccoli, cabbage, especially Napa cabbage, carrots, chilies, chives, garlic, greens in general, greens of all types, leeks, mushrooms, onions, spinach, tomatoes, and vegetables in general. In the way of fruits that go well with mung beans, there's coconut, lemon, and lime. In the way of grains and grain products, there's bulgur, grains in general, millet, noodles, especially Asian noodles, and rice. In the way of dairy and non-dairy foods, there's coconut milk, ghee, and yogurt. And in the way of other foods, there's oil. Well, I do hope this helps to give you some new ideas and new ways to use mung beans. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.